Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today I realized that I have a lot of stuff, and being in a very tiny home, you realize how much you have. And I've gotten rid of a lot of things over the years, but I didn't realize how much more I still have left to do. So we're gonna do the Konmari method. The Konmari method is in different steps. Clothing, books, paper, kitchen, bathroom, electronics, miscellaneous, and then sentimental. So I have clothes in my trailer, in my broken down car, and in my storage. So I'm gonna gather them all up and put them on my bed.
Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground?
I've had this thing since I was 17. Wow. This was the only thing that couldn't fit in that bag. So that was round 1 of clothes. Let me go get the others. I'll show you what it looks like.
Okay, next is the books.
So I brought all the bathroom stuff in here so that way I can organize it.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream
There's that. That's actually empty.
the only one.
There's that. And that's the bathroom. Alright, let's see. The next one to go after would be electronics. Alrighty. We're gonna have some lunch and then we'll get back to it. See you soon. Then, so the next step is electronics. And this is gonna be a really interesting one because I have a bearded dragon on my chest. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down right. I think I'll put you right here. He's shedding right now, so he's a little grumpy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's do some stuff. I'm showing it right now. That's from his leg. No, it's natural. Shedding means he's healthy. I just don't want him to bite my neck. So the electronics in our house is mostly used. Like we use a lot of it, and most of the time. So really, there's only like a few things we would get rid of. Everything else, I just need to find a spot for it. So the next category after electronics would be miscellaneous, I would think.
Yep.
That should take a little bit of time because I have a lot of miscellaneous stuff. So I'll see you in a little bit.
Bye.
So I am now on day 2, and this is all that was under the bed and around my room. So I'm going to organize every single item in the light category. So books go with books, bags go with bags. I had to bring in another load of laundry, but that bag is filled with my material. I just took it out of my Mary Kay bag. I put all the smaller ones in the smaller Mary Kay bag, but I put up my pink material. I put like a white material behind it. I'm thinking of like turning that into something else because right now it's a temporary fix because I took down the polka dots. So I'm basically done. I haven't remade my bed yet. But I put up a temporary curtain for now. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this some more tomorrow. I am so proud of myself. Usually by the end of the day, the bed is still covered and crazy. And at least this time, oh yeah, I still have to take that out. The door won't be so cluttered, but all of this is gonna go poof.